I just spent 45 days learning Blender. This is what I made. So how this really came about was I started seeing a lot of hype surrounding Blender in just the last year or so. I started seeing really cool grease pencil stuff and sculpting, and I'm a Cinema 4D artist, and truthfully that stuff just really isn't Cinema 4D's strong suit. So I decided I was going to spend a month really diving deep into Blender and just see how far I could get. I really didn't even know where to start, so I Googled Blender.
Hello.
Blender Guru's tutorial comes up before even the official Blender channel. And now I know why I've been seeing 3D donuts everywhere. In all seriousness though, this is a really great tutorial to start with. It's 24 videos, which is actually a lot, but it's a super clear walkthrough of probably everything you would use in Blender, and especially as a beginner. I didn't really know where to go after this, but I was looking for something with a little bit more in-depth animation information. So I started watching random tutorials, and everyone kept mentioning the Launchpad course from CG Boost. So I decided to check it out, even though it was $60. Honestly, that's really cheap, and I have to say it was totally worth it. Not only is it full of information, but it's a really great resource to refer to in the future. I think we all know what it's like to search for that one thing we saw in a YouTube video somewhere and either never find it again or end up watching Mark Rober videos for 2.5 hours. Now that I felt pretty comfortable moving around in Blender, it was time to apply what I learned. So I picked a nice, simple project I thought I could finish before the new year. this took way longer than I thought it was going to. I was hoping to finish this entire project in like 14 days, and I think it ended up taking me like 30 or something. I don't really know why I decided to tackle particles and fire simulations and voids all in my first stages of learning Blender, but I made a cool video and I'm really proud of it. And I have so much to say about the comparison of Cinema 4D and Blender, but I'm going to save that for its own video. I also had trouble finding the fire simulation in tutorials. I kind of cobbled together a bunch to get a result that I liked in Eevee, and so I'm definitely going to make a tutorial about that. But if you have any other suggestions for tutorials, maybe things you saw in the video that you want to know more about, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Melanie. You can find me at MoGraphMel across all the social media channels. I will catch you next time. Blah, I don't know what I'm saying. Blah, blah, blah.